In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft OneNote Notebooks. Syncing in OneNote is mostly hands-off, and that's by design. OneNote stores your notebooks in the cloud, typically on OneDrive or SharePoint, and it keeps them updated as you work. As long as you're signed in and connected to the internet, your pages, sections, and attachments are uploaded in the background and downloaded to your other devices. That means a change you make on your laptop can appear on your tablet or the web within moments. If you happen to go offline, don't worry. Your edits are saved locally and will sync the next time you're online. For the smoothest experience, use the same account across all your devices and give the app a little time to finish uploading after big edits or large images. There are times when you'll want to nudge OneNote to update right away. On Windows or Mac, using the desktop app, open OneNote and confirm you're signed in with your Microsoft, work, or school account. In your list of notebooks, find the one you want to update, then right-click its name and choose Sync this notebook. On some Mac versions, use Control-click instead of a right-click to reveal the same option. You'll typically see a brief status indicator while it refreshes. For large notebooks or when switching networks, manually syncing is a quick way to make sure the latest content is available before you move to another device or share notes in a meeting. If you have several notebooks open and you want all of them current, you can trigger a full refresh. Go to File, then Info, choose View Sync Status, and select Sync All or Sync Now. This is especially helpful before closing your laptop, heading into a flight, or stepping into a spotty connection. Leave OneNote open for a moment so it can finish, especially if your pages include big attachments. That's it. Automatic sync keeps your notebooks up to date, and manual sync gives you control when timing matters. If a change doesn't appear immediately, double-check that you're online and signed in to the right account, then allow a minute for the update to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.